Hmm? This is nice. Mm. Oh my god, oh my god. Please try this. You need to try this at home. Try it. Your kids will like it. Your husband will like it. Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. It's me, your personal person, Francisca the Supermom. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you are highly welcome. And for my old and returning subscribers, you all are amazing. Thank you so much for coming around. Thank you so much for always coming to watch your personal person. You are highly welcome. For my new ones, please just sit down. You're going to enjoy it here. Click on that subscribe button and please subscribe, okay? Hit the button, please subscribe. So today I'll be doing Sisi Yemi's challenge. Yes, Sisi Yemi is a Nigerian YouTuber. She's a mom and she is also a wife. If you want to learn how to cook, like you want to learn how to cook very well, go to Sisi Yemi's TV. Her channel name is Sisi Yemi TV. Just go there and please watch her and subscribe. She's an amazing person. So she prepared a delicious meal for her family of 5 with 1,500 naira, which is equivalent to €3 to €4, depending on the exchange rate. So she asked women to challenge her. She asked us to challenge her. So you can also challenge her if you want. So today I want to challenge her. I'll be cooking risotto cantonese using €3.98 because I spent €3.98 out of the €4 I went to the market with. So please just watch me because this rice is going to be delicious. You are going to like it. We like it all. My kids, my husband, myself will like it all. So please watch me to the end and see how we're going to do the magic. Okay, see me? I'm so sorry this challenge is coming very late. It's because of my busy schedule, sis. Please pardon me for that. And there's another thing I want to tell you guys, but this thing is actually a quick intro to tell you guys that I've gone to the market and I've come back. I've vlogged throughout while going to the market. I vlogged even while buying things, how I bought everything. I've even vlogged till here. But coming home, I found out that it's only audio. There is no picture, no video, it's just audio. So I don't know how that happened. I don't know how it happened. I only saw audio. I can only hear my voice, but no picture on it. So guys, it's so painful, but I still have to tell you guys. So okay, thank you so much for coming around. And let's go to my kitchen. Have you seen my kitchen? This is the first time I'm cooking here on my channel. So please follow me to my kitchen. Let's go. So come with me. Let's go to my kitchen. So these are the things I bought. This one is eggs. There are 6 inside. This is Worcester. Green beans, already cooked. It's cooked one. Then rice. And it's rice. Basmati rice. So this is the receipt of what I bought. As you can see, uova a terra, €1.15. Riso basmati, €1.79. Piselli, that is the green beans, finissimi, or €0.55. Then Worcester misto, that is this one. This one is Worcester, that is hot dog. So Worcester, I bought Worcester, yeah, 49 cents. Yeah. So the total is €3.98. €3.98. So these are the things I bought. I'll be using everything here. So I'll be using everything. Then I'll add 1 cube of nor. Just one. My salt is here. I'll add salt, and then I'll add olive oil. Yeah, you can use any vegetable oil of your choice. You can use any oil, any vegetable oil of your choice. So I'm using olive oil. So let's see. I have to parboil this one first. So please watch me to the end and see how these things will turn to Riso cantonese because I'm cooking riso cantonese. So I just believe me, you're gonna like you like this recipe, you will like it. Is I try to manage the 3 or something, but trust me, you will like it. So now the water is boiling. I need to, oh my god, see the way I opened this one. I used knife. So I'll be adding all because we are six. So because we are six, I need to add everything. It's just 1 kilo. See, can you see it there? It's 1 kilo, so it's 1 kilo. Then I have to cover it. It's just to boil it before I'll start the main cooking. I see 6 here. To be transparent, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to be transparent in this challenge. Need to be transparent. Now I have to slice this one. Our Worcester. I need to slice it now. So now as you can see, I've already prepared these ones. Already prepared. See? Now I have to start with this one. I have to start with Worcester. So let me start frying Worcester. I have to fry this one first, followed by Dix and then Dix. This should be the last one to fry. So that is it. Keep watching and let's get into it. So as you can see, the pot is ready. It's ready. You add your oil first. Add oil. The next thing to add now is Worcester. You don't need onions, so don't add onions, please. If you want to get the real taste of riso cantonese, if you want to get the real and the original taste, don't add any other thing. Nutmeg, curry leaf, rosemary, thyme. Don't add any other thing. Just do it the way I'm doing it and you will see the taste. You will like it. Leave it to fry for some minutes. Fry it for some minutes. So this has been frying for some minutes now. Now it's time to add egg. Need to add egg now. You stir it. Cook it for some seconds or some minutes. So now you need to turn it and make sure you pieces the eggs. Pieces the egg. So you can see rice is ready. It's ready. Now it's time to add green beans. Add green beans now. Then you cover it. Allow it to fry it for some minutes. So we'll come back and check. So now let's see how far. Wow. 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 Then now you check whether the taste is okay. If salt is not enough in your rice, then you can add salt here. You understand? If the salt you added in your rice is not enough, now you can add salt here. Okay. So at this point, we need to start adding rice. So I have to add rice now. Add rice inside it. I need to add rice now inside it. So this is it. Oh my god, this rice is yummy. It's yummy. Yummy, yummy. When I say yummy, just try it. Try this recipe. Try it, please. And you will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. So I have to dish the food now. So see me. Sis, can you see? This is what I am able to make with €3.98. Did I try 6? Did I try? Remember, we are 6 in number. Family of 6. Did I try, friends? Did I try? €3 something, €3.98, and I'm able to achieve this Chinese rice with Cantonese. Oh my god. I need to test it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I need to test it. This is nice though. This is nice. Oh my god, oh my god. Please try this. You need to try this at home. Try this. Your kids will like it. Your husband will like it. I wanted to eat only one. I wanted to eat only one spoon. Ha! The thing is so sweet that I don't want to stop again. Oh my god. I don't want to stop again. No. It's so nice. I don't want to stop again. No. Oh my god. As if I'm eating it for the first time. Oh my god. I'm so happy. So I still have some here. I still have some, you see. With the €3.98, I will still have some here. I still have extra. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. And God bless you all.